Hey guys, how are you? If you are new on my YouTube channel Technical Faheem, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So basically in this video I am going to tell you that how we buy chairs from Aliexpress. So let's start our video. First of all, you have to install the Aliexpress application on your mobile phone. After that, you have to open the Aliexpress application and search here in the search box. Here's what I am writing here, chairs. So after writing chairs, you have to search for chairs, and you see it different samples are came in front of you. So here's it, basically different samples are came in front of you. Here's it. So basically I'm going to open this one. Here's it, I'm going to open this one. So here's it, 8 samples are available in this one. First one in front of you. Here's it, standard model, white frame, green net, rotating arm, lifting tray. Here's it, another one sample. Here is another one with different color, black color this time. Here's it, this time pink color and white combination. Here's it, this time gray and white combination here. Here's it, black and light blue. I think this is so this combination. Here is another one, black color combination. And here's it, view similar item. So basically, if we talk about the price of this one, then you see that peak at 67,380 rupees. Price on before tax, free shipping, extra of 10% off. So here's it, office executive, computer chair, home, bedroom, learning, games, table, liftable backrest, conference room, ergonomics, chairs, long. So here's it, 3 stars is given and 1 is already sold. So basically, if we talk about the specifications, then you see it, high adjustable, yes. With handrails, yes. Is rotatable, yes. Size 50 into 60 into 122 centimeter. Style lift chair, mesh chair, swivel chair. Folded, yes. Material fabric. Model number 888. Brand name BOUSSSAC. Origin mainland China. Specific use conference chair. General use commercial furniture. Type office furniture. Filling material sponge style. Modern simplicity. Framework metal skeleton, with or without arms rest, yes. Volume 803058, rotatable, okay. Specifications, nylon feet. Space, study, outdoor, dining room, kitchen, children's room, commercial place of the place on. So here's it basically. Delivery free shipping from China with sellers, shipping method, estimated delivery 26 to Pakistan. So here's it, service 75-day barrel production. So here's it basically, reviews. One review is given, I bought this chair, but it is not comfortable and the packaging was something and I do not recommend buying it. So here's it basically, I am now moving further. So here's it, seller recommendation is also given here, and here see that item description is also provided. So we can see that flip armrest, save space, small apartment, savior, storage, computer chair. So it skillfully solve the space utilization problem, computer chair. So here's it, scenario shows multi-scenario application allowed by many customers. Simple modeling to adapt to various styles and use life to interpret taste. Here's it, to quite a book, timely, light. No matter how busy you are, don't forget to charge yourself. Improve life experience in reading. Here's it, another sample, a network class, live streaming focus on learning. Lift the arm rest to make the body closer to the desktop. Correct learning and sitting posture. Refuse to bend over and hump. So here's it, strength, circle powder, strong circle pink 6 tips. So here's a 90 angle flip arm rest, 90 angle flip arm rest. Here's it, CR engineered chair, black ergonomic backrest. Back latex cushion, back and leisure function, leak back function, multifunctional headrest, adjust the headrest, strictly selected accessories. So you can see it, meeting inspiration car, light luxury quality. You can feel its delicate support to you when you sit down. Here's it, to enjoy office hours, galloping in the workplace, sitting calmly, tailored for long sitting office workers. Here's it, 90 degree flip armrest, meet different needs, clever flip design, different from mixed armrest, computer chair, flexible change of living space. So here's it, stealth space magic, easy storage. When the armrest is not in use, put it away and push it into the bottom of the table. Save 1 meter square and save space. So basically, if you have to buy this chair, then you see that the buy now option at the bottom of the screen. You have to click on this buy now option for buying this chair. Thanks for watching this video.